my hair with the Revlon Colorsilk hair dye, box hair dye. And I use two colors, ultralight sun blonde and natural blonde. So I use these two colors here. So now that my hair has been dyed, I'm going to deep condition with Camille Rose Natural Coconut Water Penetrating Hair Treatment. And this conditioner right here. And first I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into 4 sections. My hair is already super soft from the conditioner that came with the hair dye. This will be my 3rd time using this conditioner, and it smells really good. It have a slight scent of coconut, but it really have like a sweet taste, like a cake batter smell, not taste. But it smells real good. It's thick, but it's lightweight on your hair. And I don't need a lot, as you can see. I already used it twice and I barely put a dent in the product. So first I just like to apply it to the whole section, and then I go in and apply it little by little. And spray a little water. I like to apply my products on soaking wet hair. And you notice if you apply your products on wet hair, you don't have to use as much products, because the products is actually been evenly distributed through the strands. So once I apply the product, I just work it through, make sure every strand is coated. So far I really do like this conditioner. It gets the job done. Can we do a comparison? Conditioned, non-conditioned. I don't know why I like to just apply conditioner on the whole section first. In my mind, I feel like it helps me be able to split the hair to detangle. I think I have low porosity hair because my hair do not hold water at all. But what you guys think? I'm trying to learn this because I'm trying to get a wash and go down, but I hate the way my hair shrink up. I don't know how to stretch it out. After I do this deep condition, I'm going to attempt to do a wash and go again, and I think I'm going to do the bending method, and hopefully that stretch my curls overnight. But I'm going to make sure I'm completely dry by sitting under the dryer for an hour. Have you guys tried this Camille Rose deep conditioner? It's from her new coconut water line. I think it's only like 3 products, and I got all 3. And that's what I plan on doing the wash and go with, the styler. So this is my way of detangling my hair. I try not to use the comb that much and just detangle with my fingers. The way this conditioner is defining my curls, I look forward to using the styler. Well, I'm about to sit under the dryer for like 30 minutes, rinse this out, and do my wash and go. Maybe a twist out, I'm not sure. Stay tuned to the next video and you'll see what I end up doing. Peace.